morning. We're here at somewhere in Singapore and we're here to do the bike check of my Propain Tyee 2022. Rider is 100 kilograms of fat. 103 nung umuwi, 100 na uli. We start off with my frame. I actually have a large Propain Tyee alu color raw. It has 160mm of travel. I'm using RockShox Deluxe coil with 600 pounds of poundage. Mabigat tayo, idol. And then for the fork, I'm using RockShox Lyric red boxer color with 180mm of travel. I have upgraded it to HC97 push, and it has 21 clicks of high-speed compression and 21 clicks of low-speed compression. This one is serviced and done by Unique Bicycle. Shout out kay Idol Proy. And then continuing, for my group set, I'm using SRAM X01 crank with 34 teeth. Cassette and chain is SRAM XX1. I also pair it up with SRAM GX ASX shifter. Pedals, I have Nook Prop Horizon DH pedal, gray color. And then for the cockpit, I'm using DMR handlebar MK4. It's 800mm, but I cut it to 770. I have DMR Defy stem, black color, also 35mm clamping. For the brake, I'm using TRP DHR Evo, gray color or silver color, front and back with 203mm of rotors. Wheel set, I have Industry 9 Hydra, and the rims is Punk OOC 395. This one is built also by Unique Bicycle. Shout out ulit kay Idol Proyland. Others, I have dropper is Wolf Tooth with Wolf Tooth controller, and then the dropper is Trans X. It's from my old bike, 170mm, and then the seat is Ergon. Other than that, the other additional that I have is the feedlock for 50ml, and the condom for your seat is a bike yoke condom to protect it from dirt. Grips, by the way, is also DMR Death Grip, black color also. I also using chain guide is Unite chrome color, so it matches the color of my frame. Well, that's it. That's all by my bike check. Ayos na yun.
Ay, hindi pala natin na-record.
Putayin na, ulitin. Ikot mo? Pagod na. Like this? This one can Dita.
Check.
Mic check.
Mic check muna. Para magsabay.
Mic check. Hello. Abala to si Masby, magbabike check ako. Good morning, mga idol.
Paano pala yung dropper mo?
Bakit ba? Salamat pagi, sayang. Morning mga idol. We're here at TQ Playground. Ini. Ano tayo? Ano yung sinasabi ko lagi? Give me alone. Nakakonscious ako puta. Good morning. Mga idol, we're here at TQ Playground and
Tika playground.
bawal ba? Good morning!
Singapore playground. Mr. Mike Park.
We're here at Ay, sayon? Sinabi ko na. Wala naman ako na-miss eh. Crank, nasabi ko na din. Wala na akong sasabihin. Yung ano, tag doon.
Ashamed, think something new under the sun. You can't take back some things you already done. No, you blame things that you do on somebody else. No, but they all see is you need help. Oh, but still you try so hard. You try so hard.
Scary shit.
You try so hard. Yeah, so hard. Try so hard. Cover up your games. Just fingers, don't nobody see. All this time, ooh, it ain't nothing changed.
If you're new to the channel, please like, share, tell your friends, tell your hot friends. Just kidding. And of course, subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you on the next ride. Ride on.